Fairy Rainbow.
Hello everyone, and welcome to Fairy Rainbow. Today we are going to draw and color Pikachu from Pokémon. Let's start drawing together. To start, I'm going to draw Pikachu's head and ears. Now I draw his eyes. Let's draw his nose, mouth, and his cute cheeks. I'm going to draw his body.
Father and I went down to camp along with Captain Gooding, and there we saw the men and boys as thick as hasty pudding.
Let's draw his tail. I draw Pikachu's ball. He's sitting on his ball. He's so cute. Excellent. I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. Red for the cheeks. He's yellow. Red for the top of the ball.
Washington and gentle folks about him. They say he's grown so tarnal proud he will not ride without them.
Yankee Doodle, keep it up. Yankee Doodle dandy. Mind the music and the step, and with the girls be handy.
Gray for the central part of the ball. Some shadows. Amazing! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.